Okay, so these walls are already made, but we can kind of go the other way. We can kind of like inverse engineer this. So the height here is 135 meters. So since this is a base, we know the thickness 135. So I'll just copy that, and what I'll do in order to get a clean mesh here is simply to undo a lot of this stuff. So I'm just going to, so I'm just going to go like that and create a polygon, which is fine, right? Actually, if it's dark, then it's not that fine. Let's do that over again. Click this, and create a polygon. There. See that bright color? That means it's okay. Or most likely okay. I don't need these guys now, so I can just delete those. But I want to create a polygon out of these guys. Let's see. Go with that. Loop that. Create a polygon. And let's get rid of these guys here. There we go. So now we got one polygon here and one polygon there, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to merge those guys. Let's just flip them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge them, so to speak. And let's see. I'll put this one in the other in the background here. And what I'll do is I'll simply say sometimes you can use like a Boolean operation, and you can say speed Boolean or subtract, but since it's a flat object, that often doesn't work. So we'll use drill instead and just tunnel that. And since that is so, we now have this, and we can simply then just thicken it. So let's go into the numeric here, and remember what we had here, the numbers we had. We had 1.35, so just smack that in, and that's our height. And that's it, really. So instead of trying to combine those guys, I just went the other way. I just flattened the whole thing and then used Thicken. So just another option.